Hi guys, welcome back to yoga time. Today I have a very special yoga pose for you. Do you think you know what it is, bonkers? I'll give you a hint. It's the hardest yoga pose of all. It's harder than the camel. It's harder than the tree. It's even harder than the bear. Do you think you might know what it is? I think the Tiger Kids know because we practice this a little bit. It's an easy pose to get into, but it's really hard to hold. Guess what it is? Savasana. So, yoga, let's see how we go. Bonkers, I'm going to lie you down. I'm going to pop your tail out nice and long. Legs are long and your arms are by your sides. That's all you've got to do, but you can't move. Let's see if I can do it too. All right, my legs are really long. Are you practicing as well? We're going to lie all the way down. Our arms are by the sides. I like to have my hands facing up towards the sun so I can get all of the energy from the sun. Now, once you're in this pose, you've got to stay still. You can't move a muscle. Are you ready, bonkers? Let's see. Maybe you guys at home can have a competition with your parents to see who can hold the Savasana pose longest. I don't know who's going to win between me and bonkers. I think he beat me. Great job, bonkers. How did you guys do at home?